and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got some unicorn-tastic macaroons. Look at these. Just get a mixing bowl and pour in 2 egg whites. Whisk them up with an electric whisk. And now add in 55 grams of caster sugar, a bit at a time. Sift in 100 grams of ground almonds and 75 grams of icing sugar. And mix. Once that's ready, we stick it in a food piping bag and pipe our meringues onto a baking tray with baking paper to make sure that they don't stick. Adding the detail of the horn and the ears. Now bake those for 15 minutes at 140 degrees. While those are cooling, you're going to blend 100 grams of butter. Now add in 200 grams of icing sugar, a bit at a time. Mix away. Great! Now that's ready, we're going to put it in a food piping bag and ready to pipe on our buttercream icing to our meringues. Turn it over, pipe it on, and close it up. And then just repeat the same process for the other ones. Brilliant! We're going to dip those in rainbow sprinkles so the sides of the buttercream icing are completely coated. Put those aside and then get 100 grams of icing sugar and add 40 millilitres of water bit by bit. We want the consistency to be rather thick. We're going to split that in half, and one half we're going to add red food colouring. And to the other half, green. Now add those 2 colourful icings to 2 separate food piping bags and start piping on some flowers. Pink flowers with green leaves. Use an edible pen for the eyes. And some edible gold paint for the horn and the ears. Some edible pink paint for some rosy cheeks. And there you have a beautiful, blushing unicorn macaroon. Awesome!